हेलो डियर। तो क्या आप जानते हैं कि आपके स्टमक में जो फूड हम खाते हैं वो 3 से 4 घंटे रहता है और तब उनका क्या होता है? तो ये जानने के लिए आपको ये वीडियो पूरा देखना पड़ेगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक। द कवर टॉपिक इज इंट्रोडक्शन, जर्नी ऑफ फूड इनटू द स्टमक, हाउ लॉन्ग डज फूड स्टे इन स्टमक, व्हाट हैपन टू फूड इनसाइड द स्टमक, and formation of chyme, movement into the small intestine, what gets digest in the stomach, function of the stomach, an interesting fact, and the neat important points. So let's start the definition. The stomach is a J-shaped muscular organ of the digestive system located in the upper left side of the abdomen. It stores food, mix it with digestive juice, and bring the digestion of proteins. Second, journey of food into the stomach. Food is chewed in the mouth. It passes through the esophagus and esophagus sphincter, open to allow food into the stomach and then closes to prevent acid reflux. Third is how long does food stay in the stomach? Water 10 to 20 minutes, fruits 30 to 2 hours, normal mixed milk 2 to 4 hours, and fat-rich milk 4 to 6 hours or longer. The time depends on the types of quantity of food. The fourth is what happened to food inside the stomach. First is food storage, second churning and mixing, third is secretion of gastric juice and formation of chyme. So, food storage. The stomach temporarily store food so that digestion can occur gradually. Second is churning and mixing. The stomach muscles contract rhythmically and churn the food, breaking it into smaller particles and mixing it with gastric juice. The third is secretion of gastric juice. The stomach secreted about 1.5 to 2.5 liters of gastric juice per day. It contains hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid creates an acidic environment, kills many harmful microorganisms, activate pepsinogen into pepsin. The pepsin begins protein digestion, breaks protein into smaller peptides. Mucus protect the stomach lining from acid and prevent self-digestion. Gastric lipase. Gastric lipase digest a small amount of fat. Now fifth is formation of chyme. After mixing with gastric juice, food become a thick semi-liquid substance called chyme. Sixth is movement into the small intestine. The pyloric sphincter releases chyme slowly into the duodenum where digestion continue with bile and pancreatic enzymes. The seventh is what get digestive in the stomach. Protein. Protein is digestion begin here and carbohydrates very little digestion occur. The fat is only a small amount in digested. Most digestion and nutrient absorption occur in the small intestine. Now dear, 8 is function of the stomach. Stores food, mix food with digestive juice, start protein digestion, kills harmful microbes and produce chyme, control the releases of food into the small intestine. Now dear, interesting fact of stomach. What is the interesting fact? An empty stomach is about the size of a fist. It can expand to hold 1 to 1.5 liters of food comfortably. The stomach lining renews itself every few days to protect against acid damage. Now, strong muscles continuously churn food during digestion. Now, dear, main point of the stomach is NEET important point. ये बच्चे जो नीट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है. तो नीट पॉइंट इज द शेप. स्टमक शेप इज द जे शेप्ड. गैस्ट्रिक जूस 1.5 to 2.5 liter per day. And pH is the stomach pH is the 1.5 to 3.5. Main enzyme is pepsin. A protein digestion start in the stomach. Semi-liquid food is called chymes. Average food retention time 2 to 4 hours. अब आपको समझ आ गया होगा कि खाना पेट में पहुंचने के बाद कैसे स्टोर होता है. गैस्ट्रिक जूस के साथ मिलकर चाइम्स बनाता है और फिर छोटी आंत में पहुंचकर आगे पचाता है. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और ऐसे ही क्लास 9 to 12 और नीट बायोलॉजी के आसान वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.